Welcome to the channel. If you enjoy tech insights and helpful tips, please subscribe. Let's begin.
No, Rust is not crossplay between PC and console. This is a common question because many survival games are moving towards cross-platform play. But Rust has a very distinct separation that's crucial to understand. The PC version, developed by Facepunch Studios, is fundamentally different from the console version, known as Rust Console Edition, which was developed by Double 11. These are essentially two different games built on the same core concept and assets, but with significant divergences in their development and ongoing support. The PC version is continuously updated with new content, features, and optimizations at a rapid pace, often receiving weekly or bi-weekly patches that introduce new items, mechanics, and significant quality of life improvements. The console version, on the other hand, operates on a much slower, more structured update schedule, needing to pass extensive certification processes for both Xbox and PlayStation platforms before any new content or bug fixes can be released. This inherent difference in development cycles and release pipelines alone creates a massive, almost insurmountable hurdle for true PC-console crossplay. Imagine trying to sync updates between two versions that are constantly drifting apart in terms of content, game mechanics, and bug fixes. It would be a logistical nightmare. Furthermore, the underlying code bases, while originating from the same source, have diverged significantly over time. Double 11 essentially had to rebuild or heavily adapt the game for consoles, accounting for different hardware limitations, vastly different control schemes, gamepad versus keyboard and mouse, and entirely separate user interfaces designed for living room play. The balancing of the game is also a huge factor. PC players, with the precision and speed offered by a mouse and keyboard, would have a distinct and overwhelming advantage over console players using controllers, making fair competitive play nearly impossible. While some games attempt to manage this with input-based matchmaking, Rust's core gameplay loop, which involves precise aiming, rapid building, and quick inventory management, would make such a system very challenging to implement effectively without segmenting the player base too much and diminishing the overall experience. So, to reiterate clearly, if you're playing Rust on PC, you can only play with other PC players. If you're playing Rust Console Edition on an Xbox or PlayStation, you can play with players on the other console platform, e.g., Xbox players can play with PlayStation players. And within the same console family, e.g., PS4 players with PS5 players. But neither console group can join PC servers, nor can PC players join console servers. The technical complexity, the involvement of different development teams, the staggered update schedules, and the fundamental differences in control input and game balancing make true PC-console crossplay for Rust an incredibly difficult, if not practically impossible, endeavor for the foreseeable future. While the dream of uniting all Rust players across platforms is appealing, the current reality dictates a clear division between the PC and console experiences. So, if you're looking to team up with friends, make sure you're all on the same primary platform, either PC or console. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more gaming insights.